We guide you through how to live stream on Discord using the Go Live feature so you can easily share your screen or gameplay with others. First thing you need to do is open Discord on your computer and join a voice channel in the server where you want to stream. Once inside the voice channel, look for the Go Live or screen icon at the bottom of the app and click it. Next, choose whether you want to stream a specific application or your entire screen. Then, select stream quality and frame rate if prompted. After confirming, click Go Live and your stream will start instantly. Other members in the voice channel can click your stream to watch live. When you are finished, simply click Stop Streaming to end the live stream.